Hello everyone. Today we are going to dive deep into HTML comments and we will try to learn everything you need to know about them. Let's get started. First of all, we should learn that what are HTML comments. So, HTML comments are special pieces of text that you can write in your HTML code that won't be visible to visitors viewing your website in their browser. Okay, so think of them as hidden notes that only developers and people looking at the source code can see. They are incredibly useful for documenting your code and leaving reminders for yourself or other developers. So, as for now, let's look at exactly how to write an HTML comment. Let's write a comment, okay? So, the syntax is very specific, so pay close attention, okay? So, first of all, you need an arrow, and then you need an exclamation mark, then you need dashes, okay? So as you can see, our comment has been placed in our HTML page. Now you can write here, this is the first comment, okay? So an HTML comment starts with the less than sign, okay, and followed by an exclamation uh, point. As you can see, here is an exclamation point, then two hyphens. As you can see, there are two hyphens, and after that you write your actual comment text, like I have written that this is the first comment, and then you close it with the two hyphens and greater than sign, as you can see. So in this way you can write your comment in the HTML page. So let me spell that out clearly. First of all, less than, then exclamation point, then hyphen, then your comment text, then again hyphen, and greater than. Okay. So there is something very important you need to notice about the HTML comment tag. So in the opening part, right after the less than sign, as you can see, there is an exclamation point. However, in the closing part, there is no exclamation point, as you can see. So it's just the two hyphens and the greater than sign. We have closed our comment. So this is a common mistake beginners make. So remember, uh, when you are writing a comment in the HTML page, exclamation point only comes in the start tag, but no exclamation point comes in the end tag. So here is something more crucial to understand, that comments are not displayed by browser. When someone visits your website, they won't see your comments at all. So the browser simply ignores them completely. So, however, this is important. Comments can still be seen if someone views your page's source code. Okay, if someone opens the source code of your page, he or she will see the comment. So never put sensitive information like passwords or private notes in your HTML comments, because anyone can view the source code of your web page. So okay. Uh, Now we shall understand that what is the purpose of the comment. So well, comments serve several important purposes. First, they help you document your HTML code. You can explain what different sections of your code do, making it easier for you or other developers to understand the code later. Second, you can use comments to place notifications and reminders in your code. For example, you might write a comment saying to do, add social media icons here. Okay, so let's add these comments, and now, and I'm gonna here to do, then I'm gonna add another comment. For example, I want to add here, add social media here, as you can see. Okay, so this will help the developers. For example, I want to add another comment, and I want to add here, remember to update this section. So the third comment, as you can see, are excellent for organizing your code. You can use them to mark different sections of your web page, like header section start or footer section end. So in this way you can add your comments. uh, for example, I have already shown you the examples, the practical examples of how you might use comments in the real projects. So in this way, you can use comments. So first of all, there is another type of the comments that is called multi-line comments. So HTML comments can span multiple lines. You don't need to create a new comment for each line. So you can write in this way. Let me write this. For example, you want to write here, for example, this is our comment and we are going to start it. What you need here, for example, I'm gonna write a comment like this is a longer comment. Okay, so that spans multiple lines and provides detailed information about this section of code. So in this way, you can write multiple lines code. Okay, multiple lines comment. So in this way, you can span multiple lines. You don't need to create a new comment for each line. So in this video, we have learned about how to add comments in our HTML page. So to wrap up, HTML comments are written using the syntax less than exclamation point. As you can see, two hyphens, then your comment text, two hyphens, and then greater than. Remember that the exclamation point only appears in the opening tag, not in the closing tag. So comments are not displayed in the browser, but can be seen in the source code. Okay, so we will meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.